guys, so I am doing something cool today. I am going to be checking if I really sound like Gumball, and let me know in the comments if I do. What else could we give away? You've not seen them yet, no. But no.
Seen what?
No!
Granny freaking howdy! Oh, Gumball, we have to play with
No!
But what?
But how? It'll cost too much.
Nowadays, you don't need money to travel. Welcome to the 21st century.
Guys, I have been outside our...
Okay, let's go for our last one now.
Gumball! What just happened?
Dude, I think we just broke time. We never have to worry about time again. I really hope you enjoyed seeing this.